Hi, I'm recording this video for my GCSE Computer Science students and anyone else who might need a reminder or even a first time look at cool tips. Now, cool tips or code completion tips are a feature in the Python idle editor. Would have popped up each time I type this code and are often ignored, and it's worthwhile understanding and sometimes referring to the code tips. So let's have a quick look. So print, and you'll see now that I've typed the function name and opened bracket, the cool tip opens. Now, if it closes, by the way, I just press escape. You can easily redisplay it, edit, show cool tip, or you can press control backslash. So control backslash is the easy way, really. And so this cool tip now tells me it's like an automatically opening reference manual. It tells me that the print function expects a value, okay, like this one. And then the comma just shows us or reminds us that the arguments or the parameters will be separated by commas. And then the dot 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 just means that we can have many values. Okay, so like one value there, hello, or hello and world, they were separate strings, so they are two values, or you can have four values or whatever you want. Okay. The next parameter has a name, sep, that's short for separator, and it has a default value of it's a string and it's a space in that string. If you want to set a new separator, you can do. So if you have a look here, you'll see that there was a space inserted between each one of these things. Okay, and we can override that, comma, and then I'm going to do sep equals, and then say, for example, if I wanted $1 between them, then sure enough, that's what happens. Now, if I do a comma here and press control backslash, then once again, you get this cool tips thing come up. And so we've got two values here. This time I'm not going to specify a separator. I'm quite happy with space between the hello and the world, but I want to change the line ending. Now, the line ending has a default value of, and this thing here, backslash n, just means a new line. If I wanted to change that, I can type end equals, and then, for example, if I don't want a line ending, I can do that. And what's going to happen now is you'll see that hello world was printed to the shell, but then because we no longer have a new line printed at the end of that, when we print the next line, that's going to print immediately after it. So in summary, if you want to code in Python, do read the code tips. They come up automatically as soon as you type that, but if you want it to come up again, you can just press control and backslash. And they're very useful, these cool tips, because they give you information about how to use that function. So I recommend looking at it.